Hello everyone, my name is Anatoly Ivanov and I'm an English teacher and an entrepreneur. I have worked for 8 years in both private and public sectors with all age groups from 6-year-olds to 60-plus-year-olds. And I have noticed a few reoccurring problems during my career. Problems which I seem to notice in many different people. And I started thinking of solutions to those problems because they seemed to make people not so efficient in English. And I created Your English Specialist. Our project is an interactive way of educating people in English and many other aspects of society and personal development. And today we're going to show you a picture which is very serious. That's the condition of the English speaking today. English Proficiency Index for 2016 shows that a lot of people around the world don't know English well enough. It's a global language and we should use it as such. And technology in today's world allows for many of the problems here to disappear. It allows us to connect better, to communicate better globally. This is something which I saw this morning. And it shows clearly we have an urgent problem. It's a sense of urgent which is misspelled. And that shows the problem a lot. Our mission is to reach a state of the world like this, where people are capable and communicate more effectively with everyone else. We think that when people speak the same language, they connect better. But do they know how to learn? For effective learning to happen, people should have 40% of input information. That's the teacher's job, the material, and all the knowledge. Next is the 60% of practice, which should exceed the learning part. To practice, to experience the thing you're doing. And the 10%, which are the extra 10%, they are the extra mile in our education of anything. To do something well, we have to give 110%. Sadly, the world of education today looks more like this. 70% input, people are overwhelmed with information from the materials and textbooks. They don't have enough time to practice, and the extra is questionable. The team which we constructed consists of experts with years of experience in their respective fields like design, finance, and production, as well as English specialists and a web developer with whom we started our website and platform. Today, we want to show you a demo of our idea and the concepts. First, we look at our product as a platform which has different modules and levels of expansion. Over time, it will grow with more and more projects, content, and possibilities. For now, we are concentrated on educating people in English. And this is a preview of the website which we are going to have. It will be a powerhouse of tools, and it has the capacity to withdraw 50,000 plus users. It's optimized, user-friendly, and is used on many different devices, and it's reactive. So let's talk about a bit for the process. People should register and create a profile. That profile should be set up in a few steps with information about their choice of modules and programs. So they choose their intensity. They can choose how much they can take in their own tempo. They can choose add-ons and make their experience richer. Our platform is interactive, flexible, and, as I said, personalized. You can make your schedule, you can decide when and how to study with work time and family and social life in mind, and to be able to get step-by-step content each day. If you need counseling or private sessions or personalized experience, you can use this to make a session personally for you based on your needs, on your requirements. So, Today, we are here in a startup, but we are planning to take on many strategic partnerships with companies and organizations. At the moment, we have an opportunity to get facilitated in a leading international academy and be founders in a new project of theirs. We are open to negotiation and to partnerships with many different individuals, investors, and funds, and we are looking for an investment. We're open to negotiations and questions, as I said, and we want to show you our future plans. For 2017, we want to establish strategic partnerships. From April to August is our production stage and pre-launch. We hope to have our website ready and done in September and start building national presence over the next year. Activate our first wave of selected projects and then scale to Balkan presence. When we reach regional presence, we are going to activate a second wave of projects and scale to select countries with low or very low proficiency levels, so that we can have a world where people communicate better, for us, for future generations, and for everyone. Thank you.